Good morning, ma'am. We are the group 3. We will discuss the bloods out chapter 9 blood semen and DNA analysis. So, what is blood? Blood circulates throughout the body and is made up of four elements, mainly the red blood cells or erythrocytes and the white blood cells, leukocytes, blood platelets and plasma. Human blood consists of 55 plus plasma ang ato dayong lawas, no? So gikuan ta siya na siya kumbaga binubuo lang ating
Binubuo lang ating
katawan ng 65 plasma kung saan ang 90% ay water. 10% are proteins, albumin, globulin, and fibrinogen. Blood clots found on the crime scene usually inhibits an astro yellow colored liquid called serum. The difference between serum and plasma it's that the latter contains no fibrinogen, which changes to an insoluble pram called fibrin. Blood examination in forensics can include blood typing and testing for presence of the blood strain or serology, blood stain pat, blood sorry, blood stain pattern, analysis and testing for the presence of deoxyribose nucleic acid DNA in paternity tests. Wait sa kadali ha. I know that you're wrong for me. That's all I want. Sunod, ang what is serology? Ang kato daw sa diri sa what is blood kini sa mga kuan. Kini daw ang mga namuong dugo na nakikita sa pinangyarihan ng krimen ay kalasang nagpakita ng istro or dilaw na kulay na likido na tinatawag ng na serum. So what is serology? Serology Serology is a branch of science that deals with the determination of the types and characteristics of blood. Blood testing and the examination of blood stain, semen, saliva, and other body fluids that may or may not be involved within a typing. The preparation of testimony through the results obtained via serology and its presentation at a trial by oral and written testimony delivered by an expert witness in the main job function of forensic. Ang kana daw serology ay isang sangay na asam na tumatalakay sa pagtukoy uri ng katangian ng dugo. Kumbaga, pinaagi sa kanang sa like sa dugo, similya, laway, at iba pang mga likido sa katawan na maaring kasangkot o hindi sa pag-type ng DNA. Sunod, importance of serology in crime investigation. Blood can be used as circumstantial or corroborative evidence in identifying the perpetrator of a crime. It can also be used to probe disputed parentage as a paternity test, determine the cause of the death, of the length of time in which the victim survived in attack. So, ang kalahagan daw na no, sa pagsisiyasat na ng krimen, ang dugo ay maaaring gamitin bilang circumstantial o corroborative evidence sa pagtukoy ng isang kagawan ng isang krimen. Maaaring ding itong gamitin upang patunayan ang pinagtalunang example ani kining sa aron atong mahibal-an kung unsa ang mga sanhi sa pagkamatay. Hydrogen is the pattern man sa isa ni siya magamit example ani nga pagtukoy sa direksyon ng pagtakas ng biktima o sa lakay. O ang pinagmulan ng daloy ng dugo ay tinatayang oras o kung kailan ginawa ang isang krimen. Muna siya importance of serology in crime investigation. Name of test. Picture of blood and separation with serum. Examination of blood. Screening test. Name of test. Muna siya ang mga katong sa name of test niya kaning Bicillin test, Phenolphthalein test, or Casimir test, Guaricom test, Pandims or Socrobim test, Leukomulat sheet green test. Ang color reaction siya indicating presence of blood, intense blue, deep permanent color, blue or bluish green. Confirmatory test. Microscopic test. This is used between mammalian, avian, piscine, and reptilian blood. So kini sila murag gamit ni siya sa kuan daw at sa ato sa niwan no. Test of determine. I know that you sa kining confirmatory test, the example ani kining species lang mga mammals, fishes, reptiles and amphibious animals. Appearance of blood corpus cells, circular, bincconcave disc without a nucleus, oval and nucleated, the mass nucleus in also oval. Ug ang B, microchemical test. This is the method to analytical chemistry that is used to study small samples of substance. Muna siya sibali ka ng mga kuan bitaw ka ng mga gagmay nga mga parte ba sa kuan nga makahatag og sample. Name of test niya, Trishan-Man test or Hymen crystal test. Takayana, Hyonochromatin test, Acetone Hymen or Wasin War test. Dark brown, appearance of crystals in dark brown rhombolyc crystals or hymen or hematine chloride which is orange or single on a cluster. Large rhombic crystals with a salmon pink color arranged in cluster or sheaves. Small and dark dichronic acicular crystal made in acetones. So ang iyang kuan sin editor is drawing the blood human origin. So kung ang kuan gyud ang iyang dugo kung tama sa hakin sa nila. Nana siya kibali kini pagsusuri o pangmatukoy kung ang dugo ay nagmula sa isang tao yun. Mula sa tao. This is done to detect specimen or reflux or human blood form related to human blood contains constitution. Ito ay ginagawa upang makita ang resipyen na tungtugon sa dugo ng tao upang bumuo ng isang namuo. Ang dugo ng tao ay naglalaman ng precipitin. D. Parentage test. This is as well types listed below kini nasa ubos. Blood grouping is kining may balay mo kung ang mo ni siya mga percentage test or blood grouping test kining type A, type B or type B or type O. The blood is every human being belongs to one of four blood groups which are known as the group of E, O, E, B, and EB. These blood groups cannot be altered by lapse of time or by the presence of a disease. Blood groups or hereditary and science has proven that the EBO system is one of the best ways to determine true parentage. Sama na to karon, application of the EBO system sama na to karon. So para sa tuwa lahi ta kanang or natay Dahil lahi taga ng blood type, ay type O, na type A, na type B, na type AB. Application of the morning parents O and O. Basta mo na siya. Mantilya sa imong dugo. Para sa ako, wapo ka balo sa type sa akong dugo unsa.
Type B ko.
Ako type O siguro ko.
Type B.
Ako kay wapo ka balo. Basta ako na maglamok, marag mauna. Gani. Ikaw na diri Mantilya?
Euro ta kadalan.
Ah, sige. Blood is stain pattern analysis. Blood stain pattern analysis refers to the examination of the shapes of the distribution patterns and location of blood stain, which can provide an interpretation of physical events that gives rise of their origin. Here's the distribution of the appearance of blood stain and patterns based on reconstruct and even have occurred to produce bleeding. Several factors should be considered serving during analysis. These the factors listed below. Number one, direction of travel. The direction of travel can be determined the blood stain shape, depending on the always species direction of travel. So surface of texture. The harder less pronounced the surface, the fewer blood spatter produced. So the origin of the blood spatter. Origin in a 2D configuration can be determined by established lines through the long axis of individual blood stain to the intersection of the lines represent the point from which the blood originates. So impact angle. A drop of blood striking a surface in a right angle produces nearly circular strain. As the angle decreases, the strain becomes more along. Use of BSPA. Show assumption concerning events under sequencer is position of the victim to surface of texture. The harder less pronounced the surface, the fewer blood spatter produced. So the origin of the blood spatter. Origin in a 2D configuration can be determined by established lines through the long axis of individual blood stain to the intersection of the lines represent the point from which the blood originates. So impact angle. A drop of blood striking a surface in a right angle produces nearly circular strain. As the angle decreases, the strain becomes more along. Use of BSPA. Show assumption concerning events under sequencer is position of the victim, which may be indicate blood smears and blood trials may show evidence in the struggle between the suspect and the victim. Ito no, tinuod ko na. Confirmly and refute an statement made by the principals of the case per strain pattern and suspect been either witness or the suspect. Kini mo sila ang mga use of BSPA. So sa like for example kanang sa pinagisa ng go or sa matis na to ang isa ka tawo kung kinsa gyud ang balin sana siya nga dugo or kinsa og kanang balig sample nakapatay ka or naay kuan nya ikaw po na dugo na kuanan po kag dugo na samnan po kanya nakaw ka pinaagi ana matris ya kung ka kay na may imong naman sila makuha nga itis nga blood. Characteristic of blood spatter, low velocity. Wala naman eh. Wait sa kadali ha. Wait a minute. Three categories of blood stain. Passive blood stain. Wait a minute. Passive blood stain, there is a drops created a form by the force of gravity acting alone. Ano siya ito ka types na pwede anang drip caused by drifting blood. Nya drop created by force of gravity. So fall. This refers to change in the shape of direction of a blood stain due to the influence of gravity or movement of the object. So kini dayang passive blood stain refers na siya sa kanang create for to the force of gravity acting blood to the freely flowing or dripping. These stains are typically formed the blood release from a wound or injury post drips into the surface below. Target surface texture. Blood stain can be found on various surfaces such as clothing, carpet, tile, wood, wallpaper, and so on. So the type of surface upon which blood strikes can affect the amount of resulting a pattern, including the appearance and size of the blood drops. So it spreads out smoothly. Blood droplets that strikes a hard, smooth surface such as a piece of glass can have little or no distortion around the edge. The surface textures of the spreading edge is broken by a regular surface. Surface such as woods or concrete are distorted spines or secondary spatter may be present. Sunod, blood droplets that strike linoleum flooring takes on a slightly different appearance distortion, scalloping around the edge of the blood droplets may be found. Transfer. Sunod kaduha, transfer. A transfer blood stain creates when width of the bloody surface comes in a contact with a secondary surface. Sunod, recognize out. Kaduha, a recognizable image or all part of the original surface may be observed in the pattern as the case of the bloody hand is footwear. Ikaw na diri sa kwan, Matt, Dwight, ikaw na diri sa transfer blood stain and before they survived in the following. What is semento? Ikaw na. Mora man ni siya, balik-balik naman yun kanang projective kaning type of you can give a blood. Ang type A lagi, type B. O B. Di man kini importante yun. Issue sa mat, Intelya. Asa taman mo mat? Asa taman mo nung 13. Sige, sige. Iso kilig naong nisular. Asa ka asa ka taman? Aw, atuwa man ning
Amo
kuan di.
tinikon iton
Yo, what is DNA? Ah, wait. Because
Oran. What is DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a molecule that contains all the genetic development and the function of all
Pre Milo.
and living organisms. DNA
Pre,
is a nucleic
excuse pre sa Milo.
acid comprising
Uy, ako rin tiwas ana. Okay, karon pikas tapos pikas chapter 10.
kami si
Oh. So what is DNA? DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid is a molecule that contains all the genetic information used by development of functioning of all non-viruses and living organisms. DNA is a nucleic acid comprising molecules essential for all known as for on life. Human DNA molecules, double stranded polymerase or kumbaga ang kining DNA sa na to sa mga semen or sa rape nga kaso so, sa skin na nabalian na part sorry na nabili na panit or sa fingerprint sa isa ka crime scene din sa blood sad makita sa nato ang makita sa nato sa crime scene ini mao kasagaran makita sa mga crime scene sa kinsa gajud ang suspect or sa saliva or sa kanang hair mo ni siya magamit nato sa DNA to locate or who was the suspect. Methods DNA ng forensics. DNA found in semen, skin, blood, saliva, mo na siya or hair found or crime scene used to identify the or individual such as preparation or the victim. The process is formally called DNA profiling but may also be called genetic fingerprinting. DNA profiling was first developed in 1984 by a British genetic Sir Alec Jeffreys and first use of in forensic science and convicted a convict Colin Perks in the 1988 in the by murder case. The ability to obtain genetic match from minute sample has led to re-examination of number case. So mao lagi to siya aron ma-identify na to ang isa ka tawo or kung kinsa gyud ang nag buhat sa krimen pinagi sa or naay makuan nga mga semen, skin or blood or saliva or hair pinagi sa buhok. Taas ang kinig basahon eh. Ang kining ang sa DNA mao ni kasagaran gamiton sa crime scene para ma-identify yung kinsa ang suspect gyud. Paggamit sa DNA. Methods of DNA profiling. Muna ang mga methods of DNA profiling, restriction, fragment length, polymorphism, RFLP analysis, one of the first method used in finding or genetic use DNA profiling. So mo rin siya po isa po nagigamit kining RFLP. So not polymerase chain reaction PCR analysis. It identifies DNA sequence interest wherein the DNA samples or DNA specific matured in separate individual strand. This method then replicates DNA to the a million fold in 2 hours or less. Number 3, short tandem PCR analysis. It's highly polymorphic regions with short repeated sequence. It helps identify unrelated individual matches for or a variation in several control samples indicates relationships such that the full DNA profiles should differ except for twins to prove the person was not actually matched for their own DNA or another sample. Amplified fragment length polymorphism kini AMFLP. These techniques is faster than RFL mao na sila mga panggamiton di ay analysis and use to PCR amplified DNA samples. Kining FLF mas faster na siya sa katong sa PCR o sa RFLP tandem repeat or polymorphisms to distinguish DNA samples from one another. It is a relatively cheaper and easier to set up and operate as those remain popular developing countries. So DNA analysis is widely applied determining genetic family relations such as paternity, maternity, siblingship, and other kinships. A father's sperm cell consists of the XY chromosomes and the mother of egg cells consists of the chromosomes each containing half amount of DNA found or the other body of cells during conception. These mates of used form fertilized eggs called a zygote. The zygote contains complete of DNA molecules, unique combination of DNA of both parents. The zygote divides or multiplies into a embryo and later human being. Walang tawa nyo sa picture. Wala na gid ay. Wala na sila. Tanang nabuang na.
Pagbulat gani kiningita.
Sa chat na to sa GC.
Note na akong MB gagi. Gipost nimo?